let's move on to Introduction to Java Programming. Welcome to your first lesson in Java programming. In this lesson, we will guide you through the essential steps of creating, compiling, and executing a simple Java application. By the end of this lesson, you will have a foundational understanding of how Java programs are structured and how to run them on your computer. Don't worry if this feels new at first. Now we're on What's Java. Java is a widely used, high-level programming language known for its portability, performance, and security. It's an object-oriented language, which means it allows you to create objects that can represent real-world entities. Java applications are compiled into bytecode, which can run on any device equipped with a Java Virtual Machine, JVM, making it a versatile choice for software development. Now, setting up your environment. Before you can write and run a Java program, you need to set up your development environment. Here are the steps to get started. First, install the Java Development Kit, JDK. Download the latest version of JDK from the official Oracle website or adopt OpenJDK. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Next, set up the path environment variable. Ensure that the bin directory of your JDK installation is added to your system's path. This allows you to run Java commands from any command line interface. Finally, choose a text editor or IDE. You can use a simple text editor like Notepad or a more sophisticated integrated development environment, IDE, such as Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA for writing your Java code. Let's move on to creating your first Java program. Now that your environment is set up, let's write your first Java program. We will create a simple application that prints "Hello, World" to the console. Follow these steps. First, create a new file. Open your text editor or IDE and create a new file named helloworld.java. Next, write the Java code. Enter the following code into your helloworld.java file. Review the class shown on screen and how its members are organized. This code defines a class named HelloWorld with a main method. The main method is the entry point of any Java application. The line outputs the text to the console. Now, compiling the Java program. Once you have written your code, you need to compile it to convert it into bytecode. Follow these steps. First, open the command line interface. On Windows, you can use Command Prompt, and on Mac OS or Linux, you can use the terminal. Next, navigate to the directory. Use the cd command to change to the directory where your helloworld.java file is saved. For example, I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. See the example on this slide. Pause if you want to study the details. If there are no errors, this command will create a file named helloworld.class, which contains the bytecode of your program. This section covers running the Java program. Now that you have compiled your program, you can run it using the Java interpreter. Use the following command. The samples on screen walk through this step. Take a moment to read through them. When you execute this command, you should see the output. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. In this lesson, you learned how to first, set up a Java development environment by installing the JDK and configuring your path. Next, create a simple Java program that prints a message to the console. Also, compile and run your Java program using command line commands. Now put what you've learned into practice. To further practice what you've learned, try the following. First, modify the helloworld.java program to print your name instead of "Hello, World." Next, add another statement to print your favorite programming language. Also, experiment with creating additional Java classes and methods, and compile and run them. Congratulations on writing and running your first Java program. This is just the beginning of your journey into the world of Java programming.